Hey, creative minds! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super fun and sustainable: DIY eco-friendly jewelry. Whether you're looking to upcycle some old materials or create something fresh and new, these projects are perfect for adding a touch of personal style to your wardrobe while being kind to the planet. Let's get started. We all have those old, broken pieces of jewelry lying around, right? Don't toss them out. Let's upcycle them into something beautiful and new. First up, let's make a beaded necklace. I'm using beads from an old necklace and some recycled thread. All it takes is a little creativity, and you'll have a unique piece in no time. Here's what you'll need: old beads, from broken jewelry or unused pieces, recycled thread or string, a needle, and a clasp to secure the necklace. Sort your beads by size or color if you like a specific pattern. Thread the beads onto your recycled string or thread, using a needle if needed. Once you reach your desired length, tie off the ends securely or add a clasp for easy wear. Voila! Your custom eco-friendly necklace is ready to wear. I love how this turned out. Simple, stylish, and totally sustainable. Plus, it's a great way to give new life to old materials. Next, we're making fabric earrings from scrap materials. This is a fantastic way to use up those small fabric pieces that might otherwise go to waste. Cut your fabric into the shape and size you want for your earrings: circles, squares, or any fun design. Use fabric glue to seal the edges or sew them together to prevent fraying. Attach the earring hooks to the fabric pieces. Let them dry, and you're ready to rock your new eco-friendly earrings. How cute are these? They're lightweight, stylish, and made from materials that might have otherwise ended up in the trash. Win-win! For those of you who love natural materials, let's make a wooden bead bracelet. Here's what you'll need: scrap fabric, cotton or linen works great, eco-friendly earring hooks, fabric glue or a needle and thread, and scissors. String the wooden beads onto your recycled string or elastic, adding any painted designs if you like. Once the bracelet is long enough to fit your wrist, tie off the ends securely. Trim any excess string, and you've got a beautiful, eco-friendly bracelet ready to wear. I'm using beads from an old broken necklace and some sturdy string. I hope this inspires you to get creative and think sustainably when it comes to your accessories. Making your own eco-friendly jewelry is a fun way to express your style while being kind to the planet. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more DIY and eco-friendly fashion ideas. Until next time, keep it creative and keep it green.